Hey there, Dr. Brady here, Optimum Wellness Center. Thank you for clicking on that ad. You probably did it because you're in a lot of pain. You're suffering right now. We want to help you. In order to help you, we have to look at what's causing your pain, not just where your pain is at. So a lot of people will take medications or there's cortisone injections, which many times will often mask the pain and they won't treat the root cause of the problem. So we want to get to the root cause of your back pain issue. And decompression is one of the most effective ways that we can go in and open up that area and look and see what's going on inside, how you respond to the treatment, and then we can customize things for you. You might be more of an outside in. You might need more of the musculoskeletal, the pulling. And we also have a very unique approach where we pull you and then we stabilize. So we stretch and then we stabilize. A lot of clinics will just stretch and they never stabilize. So you create a new space, to relieve pressure on the disc or pressure on the nerves, but oftentimes there's not a stabilization taught, and so you lose that space that you worked hard to open up and that you gained, and that just comes right back and just goes right back to where it was before if you don't stabilize that new space that you create. So we have a couple of unique approaches here that are very different than what you may have experienced if you've tried this before, or maybe what you've heard a little bit when you've looked into decompression. So in order to give you a little more of an overview, we want you to know that first we want to get to the root cause. We want to look at your diet. We're going to ask you about some of the supplements you're on. We're trying to look at some of the internal inflammatory things that could be causing your pain. And then from an outside perspective, we're going to use the machine, customize it to your needs. So depending on what leg your pain is radiating down, will tell us maybe an angle we have to pull you at and change, right? How we orient the machine, how long we pull you for, the poundage at which we pull. All of that is customized to your specific need. And again, we also have an approach here where we stretch and then we stabilize. So there's a lot of great opportunities that we're going to give you here to try to help you to heal, to get you out of the pain that you're suffering in right now. So you're going to get a phone call and we're going to follow up with you and try to get you a time to schedule. Please feel free to do so. This is not a high pressure sales place at all. This is a family clinic and we treat you as family. We want you to be comfortable here. The first visit's only $29. We want you to try it out to see if it may be the right thing for you. And we will find any type of a plan, depending on what your need is, how frequently you may need this. Everyone's a little bit different. We will find something that will fit in your budget as well and make this affordable for you. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you again for clicking on our ad, and we'll talk to you shortly.